Hi, my name is Mike and I'm a solutions engineer at CyberGRX. This 3-minute video demonstrates the steps you can take to determine which, if any, of your vendors are susceptible to this recently discovered vulnerability. It is known by several different names: Log4j, Log4shell, Logjam. It enables attackers to perform remote code execution. If an adversary exploits it by submitting a specifically crafted request to a vulnerable system, it can cause that system to execute arbitrary code. This, in turn, could provide access to your systems and potentially compromise your business. CyberGRX uses the power of the portfolio to provide visibility and insight into which of your vendors have the specific controls in place to address this threat. Our Frameworkmapper enables you to map our assessment back to a MITRE-based framework to instantly gain visibility into control coverage, which helps drive remediation workflows. We've identified 32 controls as critical for protecting against this vulnerability. This could be revised going forward as we learn more about it. So what steps are involved? We begin by going to Portfolio Management and pulling up the assessment page of our third party. Next, we select the Logjam threat profile and run it against our completed assessment. Once the spreadsheet has been downloaded to your system, open it and unprotect the Results tab. This allows you to set up a filter on the answer state column. Since you're just interested in finding out which controls are not implemented, uncheck the Yes responses. What you are left with are those controls that need to be implemented to fully protect your vendor, and thus you, from the Log4j vulnerability. Note that in this example, the comment states that they have a web application firewall in place. This is one of the recommended steps to avoid being compromised. You now have a much better understanding of the risk this vendor poses to you concerning this particular vulnerability. This will help answer the questions: which of my vendors are exposing me to the Log4j vulnerability, and what controls need to be put in place? By running this tool across your entire portfolio, you'll see where your efforts need to be focused to minimize your exposure. You've just conducted an informal security review as it pertains to Log4j. Imagine doing the same thing for ransomware across your entire portfolio of third parties. For more information, please contact your CyberGRX representative or visit cybergrx.com, and please share this video with other stakeholders in your organization.